Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the testing network connectivity to a specific port using PowerShell. Let's get started. In here I have written the code in PowerShell, and the aim of this code to test connectivity network to a computer or server through particular port. You can see in here we want to test this port, and then if you know your target IP address, and then you can put on this, so you can check. For example, if you have server and you know the IP address your server, and then you want to check server this port open or close. If your server through this port open, so you can do communicating to this server. But if you didn't get response, your server through this port, maybe your network error or any firewall block your communication. Maybe firewall or maybe your network. I will give you information, or I will give you how to read this code. Okay, starting from Test-NetConnection minus computer name, and then your IP targeting, and then minus port 80. Starting from this Test.NetConnection, this commandlet in PowerShell to test connectivity your network to target. Test minus net connection, the function to test connectivity your network. Don't give space in here. Okay, test minus net connection, the function for to test connectivity your network. Next, for minus computer name IP underscore target, this is your targeting IP, to define your targeting through IP address. Okay, don't forget to write like this, minus computer name space, and then your, for example, This is your targeting IP, for example, minus computer name and then your targeting IP address, and then the last one minus port 80 to check this port open or close. This is the simple code for you if you want to check your server through this port open or close. If your port open, so you can do communication to your server through this port. But if your port is closed, so you cannot do communication. After you write this code in your PowerShell, especially in your Windows, if the connection success, so you will get information like this: computer name, for example google.com, because you use this port, it means google.com. Remote address, this is your targeting IP, for example this, and remote port 80 SIM, TcpTestSucceeded true. Okay, it means your connection succeeds. True, you can do communication to your server. True, but if your targeting port closed, so you will get information in this false. Why true? Why false? If any firewall block your server, maybe you will get information this false. But if there is no firewall block this server, so you will get information this true. TcpTestSucceeded true. I think enough for this explanation. The simple or the way to check your targeting IP open or close, you can use this code, and then you can write this code in your PowerShell. If you use operating system Windows, you can write like this, and then you will get result or reporting like this: true or false. True, it means you can do communication to your server, but for false, you cannot do communication to your server. I think enough for this explanation about the testing network connectivity to a specific port using PowerShell. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time and goodbye.